I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing, go out of this world and right on time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me. Yeah, wait, I think I'll last a bit longer. Find another reason.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Temtara Preserve. If this is your first time stopping by, you're very much welcome. Please do me a favor by subscribing to this channel and giving me a thumbs up. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make something really nice that I like. And yeah, I don't know what to call it. This pounded yam, pounded with ripe plantain. I don't know what to call it. So I have shown you my yam and also my plantain that we're going to be using in this video. For the first process, I am going to be putting water in a bowl. You guys know how to boil yam now, so we have to boil the yam. And for us to be able to boil this yam, we have to peel it. While I peel the yam, can you guys comment down below if you like eating pounded yam? Because I love, in fact, I love anything yam. So yeah, I love pounded yam. Shout back to the gist, I'll be the recipe. You know, I'm not giving you guys recipe on this channel. What I'm bringing you guys premium content. So am I still peeling this yam? How about now? Fast. Anyways, so I'm peeling this yam now. After peeling it, I'm going to dice it into cubes because we're going to be using this food processor and yam pounder from Paloma. So for the processor to be able to blend or make the paste smooth and, you know, fluffy, we have to dice the yam into cubes so it boils faster and is in smaller bits, and it's easier for the blade to blend it. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm dicing this yam. So while I dice this yam, oh my god, sorry guys, you didn't just see that. Can you guys see what I'm talking about? Diced in this proportion. So after dicing it and rinsing it, I'm going to put it in this bowl, this pot of water, and I'm going to put it on the fire and let it boil. Remember, you don't put salt in your yam when you're making pounded yam. I don't know if everybody knows that, but if you don't know that, I'm telling you right now. So we're going to cover the pot and we're going to move to our plantain. FYI, I don't like plantain. I'm not a plantain girl. Like, I'm not a fan. I know. You people have said a lot. People that don't like plantain, we can kill people. Whatever. So yeah, I'm going to peel the back of the plantain, and the same process that I did with the yam, I'll just dice it and get it ready to cook, because we're going to put the plantain into the pot, but not right now because the plantain will get ready faster than yam. You know that, right? So I'm going to wait a bit before we put the plantain into the pot of yam boiling on the fire. Enjoy watching. I'm your chef for today. Opo. Okay, let's check on the yam. The yam is boiling, it's tender, it's almost ready. Now we're going to pop in our plantain, and that should get ready in like a bit. Shouldn't take long to get ready. So now everything is ready. The yam is soft. The plantain is obviously ready. So this is the consistency you guys should be aiming towards. Oh my god. Chef Temi the building. What? So that's the food processor beside my pots, and I'm just going to fill it up with my yam and my plantain. This quantity isn't so much, so the food processor can handle all of this inside it at a time. And I'm going to, like, okay, you guys can see the blade. That's the blade you should use, because the food processor comes with different blades, but this one is perfecto for your pounded yam. Yep. So let's just pop this in and get ready to blend it. Blending time. This food processor just comes with max and zero. You know that thing now that shows the intensity of your blade movement. That's what I'm talking about. So I just put it on maximum, and yeah, maximum there, and it's just blending away. I didn't even put water inside this thing, guys. I didn't even put water. You guys saw when I put everything. I felt like the yam was already almost soggy. It wasn't soggy, but it was soft, so there was no need for me to put water. And now we're gonna reveal the paste. Oh, look at that. Oh, I did not even need to stress. I'm pounding one thing, decide mortar and pestle. Please, we've passed that level in life. We've passed it. No way. For people like me that love pounded yam and don't know how to pound, this is the best option. Can you guys, oh god, those black stuff on it is just from the plantain. Just look at this consistency. Look at this. It looks like paste. Don't mind the colors because of the plantain. That's why it looks like this. But definitely it tastes so sweet. You know, plantain is sweet, so it gives it this very sweet, nice taste. I love this stuff. I don't know, I think it's the Delta people that eat it. So you can eat this with pepper soup, you can eat it with egusi, any soup you want, whatever soup of your choice. Just enjoy thyself. With no stress. This took less than 20 minutes. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you have learned something today. I hope you guys try this out, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Do not forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and share with your friends and family. Bye. Mwah.